Hello everyone, kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I will show you how I made this pork stew with pineapple. This is another Instant Pot recipe from Dash of Spices. If you want to learn how I made this quick and easy pork stew recipe, please keep on watching. Our ingredients are pork meat. This is boneless pork chop that I cut into chunks. I have a combination of black pepper, garlic pepper, lemon pepper, salt, and garlic salt. We have bay leaves, also a soy sauce, and a white vinegar. First things first, here's the complete list of ingredients and measurements. Now we have to marinate the pork meat. Marinate this for about 10 minutes. Just let that all spices sink in with the pork meat. We're using a boneless pork meat, so it's not too much fat. But if you could find, if you want some bones, you're welcome to put in like a pork ribs meat. Just mix all the ingredients together. You could use a spatula or you could use your hand. Just put it in gloves or make sure your hands are clean. Like what I did here. I'm just using a gloves. Then after this, I'll cover this with a cling wrap and marinate it. Let it sit in the fridge for about 10 minutes. And now let's get our Instant Pot ready. Make sure you have this set in a saute mode. First, we're gonna add a coconut oil. You could use any oil, whatever you like. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And now I'm gonna add the garlic, and I'm just gonna saute the garlic until they're lightly brown. And once that lightly brown, I'm slowly adding the pork meat. I'm going to saute this pork meat for about a minute or two. Just mix them together. And then after they are mixed, I'm going to add the sauce, the marinade sauce. I like my stew with a lot of sauce, so I add all the marinade juice. But you could just add half of it. That's really up to you. And now I'm going to add brown sugar. That's 1 teaspoon brown sugar. And mix it again. You could all combine all the ingredients together in one pot, but if you look at my first Instapot, I like to do it, Instapot recipe, I like to do it stage by stage. And now I'm adding 1 can of pineapple chunks. I'm using a can. You could use a fresh pineapple. That's really up to you. Now that's 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I'm just using the liquid and just dissolve that cornstarch. And then once it's dissolved, just add it to the broth, to the meat, and just mix them. And now you're going to put the lid on and set this on the meat or stew. Make sure it's locked. Make sure the valve is on sealing. And now hit the meat or stew. And it's set for 35 minutes. Once it's on, it's cooking. And now after 35 minutes, this stew is done. As you can see, there's some residue from that when I released the pressure. That's normal. And here's our pork stew with pineapple. You could serve this with white rice or eat it as is. I like mine with the white rice. This is very quick and easy pork stew meat. It's really convenient if you have an Instant Pot. The meat is so tender, it falls out right just like that. It's very tender and it's so yummy and delicious. I hope you like this video. Again, this is my second Instant Pot episode. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please kindly click that subscribe button and please share this recipe. Thank you for watching A Dash of Spices. Until next time, ciao!